In this video, we're going to be learning how to make an origami fish, much like the Massachusetts state fish, the codfish. First things first, fold a square piece of paper in half so that it makes a rectangle. Unfold it and repeat in the other direction. Unfold it again and turn the paper so that a corner is facing you. Now fold one of the corners towards the middle of the paper, putting the corner where the first two folds cross. Do this again with the corner directly next to the first one. Now flip the whole piece of paper over and repeat this step with the two corners that are still unfolded. For this next step, be sure that you have a corner without the triangle flaps facing you. What you're going to do is take one of the side corners and bring it in, folding towards the center, so that way the edge rests along the center crease of the paper. Repeat this step on the other side, folding so you have a kite shape of your paper. Next, pull the flaps of paper out from under the folds you just made and lay them flat. Do this on both sides. Now, take the bottom corner and fold it in half so it meets the top corner. Make sure you don't fold up the whole piece of paper. Flip the whole thing over, draw a face, give it a name, and now you have a new fish friend.